Most people spend hours drawing automation diagrams. Here is how you can get ChatGPT to create them for you in under a minute and impress clients with clear workflows. And you can straight away show them and tell them how much money they can make or how much time they can save for this, what kind of competitive advantage they gonna have in front of the other companies that are not using this type of automations. And this is it. The other way that you can wireframe, if you don't want to manually wireframe, is you go to ChatGPT and say, tell me one automation. Just tell me, I want to make your one. Just tell me some automation that, for example, you want to make a case study for. Automation that will help a real estate agency how to classify emails they get and store it in a database, and this database can be queried through Slack to get information that have been stored in. Okay, and this is really good. I'm straight away gonna copy your message. We're gonna say I have to build an automation in NA10 for this. Make me an flowchart or ASCII, this is ASCII diagram, or Mermaid flowchart. This Mermaid flowchart is gonna be, it is writing some type of code. When you copy it to Notion, straight away it becomes a chart. Let's make all of them. Make me flowchart, okay? All of these are frames to show the client if I understand their request. Good. Okay, let's test it now. Text flowchart. This is the normal chart. Email ingestion, trigger on new emails, pre-filter, This is the ASCII diagram, end to end. This is really good because you can see email provider, new email, what is happening, the action, NA10 trigger IMAP. So pre-filter, auto reply, obvious spam. So we're gonna have NA10 trigger just to have check the emails. Pre-filter, classifier. Here we're gonna have the classifier, so it's gonna check all of the emails and it's gonna know all of the emails that get, so it's gonna be getting all of the emails and it's gonna classify them according to their rules, because the real estate agency has to tell you what kind of rules they are filtering their emails. For example, from specific emails they are routing them somewhere from specific clients, or if they are requests for real estate, or if they are offers for real estate. So they have to tell you what kind of classification rules they're gonna have. So you're putting all of the things. Entity extract. You have to extract all of the contacts, properties, etc. from this email. Enrich, this is optional. And deduplicate. So this can be made in Google Sheets, or this can be made with this note. This one. Remove duplicates. It just putting and removing the duplicates. If there are some items that are duplicating, it's gonna remove them. And let's see, deduplicate and upsert. Okay, and straight away this is inserting them into a database, either SQL database like Supabase or into a vector store. But the best is gonna be SQL database or some kind of Google Sheet. Because in Google Sheet you can have here email message. So this is going to be the message of the email classified for, let's say, or category here. Then I don't know, whatever the classification of these real estate agents are going to be. So, let's say contact details are going to be here, and everything here is going to be listed, and you're going to have for every specific email what is the message, what is the category, and everything. And then this category database can be from Slack can be requested. Let's say they are sending a Slack message, and this Slack message is going to an AI agent, which is using as a tool this Google Sheet. It's going straight away, getting all the rows, getting the specific emails, and returning them. Or you can put as here is showing it, human review, low confidence, if there's a human review. So this is the code that I was telling you, the flowchart. You have to paste this in Notion. Let me show you how. Okay, this is the one. This is the Mermaid code flowchart. And when you copy and paste it into Notion, here when you choose Mermaid, and it's creating straight away this chart that you can screenshot or you can save it. Usually when I do, this is the SOP of the latest video. And in the end, you can see on the SOPs that I have this flowchart. And when you put it on Notion, straight away creating this. And this is gonna be it. Yeah, let me tell it. Simplify the ASCII chart and workflow. I want the MVP workflow. Minimum starting point. And let's see now. Email trigger, parse extract, classify, yeah, buyer, seller, rental, view in order, insert to database, Slack notify, and Slack command query. That's it. And here you can see now, this is their incoming email, new email. N810 is getting the email. We are extracting the email, classifying it. We are inserting it into the database. And after that, we are notifying in Slack, let's say, that they have new lead or new message. And after that, this Slack workspace can straight away query the database. And that's it. And these are the notes. Usually the ChatGPT 5 is overcomplicating things here. You can make it with simpler stuff. But this is the thing, that you can make ChatGPT to make these diagrams for you, and you can straight away show them and tell them how much money they can make or how much time they can save for this, what kind of competitive advantage they gonna have in front of the other companies that are not using this type of automations. And this is it. Yeah, hopefully it helped you to clarify in your head how you have to do the things and how you can use these flowcharts and wireframe diagrams. If you want to look pretty and good, you can use Excalidraw, but usually for my ones, I'm straight away using ASCII charts because it's really quick and the AI agent is writing it straight away, and I can see visually how the workflow is, and I can straight away see what to change, what to start build, and I'm putting the input, the starting point of the workflow, the output point of the workflow, and start building between them. Bring more questions and etc. So I hope, even if I can't answer them, I said it before in the recording when I was alone, even if I cannot answer you here in the conversation, I'm gonna research whatever you're asking. And if I find the solution, I'm gonna make a post in the community or something. I'm gonna text you, so we're gonna solve them. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. I'm gonna have to end the call. And if you want the full recordings, templates, and join these live calls, the link to the community is below.